Working to grow a small account without seeing any progress getting you down. If I try everything in enough clicks, this might help. I'm sharing this strategy finally turning things around for me and with good for you too. So let's go with that, guys. I'm gonna show this for you. Keep you watching, guys. The final part of this video is where the real magic happens. Today with that, we're gonna use 1 minute and classic candles. Alright. Indicators, bears, power, parabolic SAR that's used for you, and moving average. Okay, so the bears power is 55. This style that's up to you if you want to use the same. 003 and 06 for the SAR and yellow. The first moving average is 7 EMA. Don't forget change that. All right, and the next one 3 EMA. Don't forget as well. Alright, and the color is up to you. $10, guys, and 1 minute on expiration time. We're gonna change that and we're gonna try to increase your account. Alright, we got all the setups, so let's start with this. Let's go with this. Okay, guys. I think it's a very good momentum position in the upward direction. Because the upward trend, guys, has just begun, as you can see right here. As you can see, the candle had the power to move in the upward direction. The blue line right here. I pay a lot of attention to the candles when in upward position because they say a lot about the specific moments. We got crossing line in the moving average, the parabolic SAR, and this is confirming primarily when I look intersecting the green and red line, as I said for you. As course, they should go the direction in each open the position. That's a downward, it's a downward, that's an upward, that's an upward. And that's our power direction. As the bear power indicator, I try to expand an open position later because I run out of the time. Alright, and that is so good for us. Right now, this is just respecting. And look at that, man. Oh my god, $19 in the total for that. Let's increase our accounts and try again. Hey, do you want to join a group where shares signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Okay, guys, this is also very good moment. It's just that signal is much stronger in the red candle and green lines. The moving average just crossed with each other. All right. I also define what the main blue line of the bear's power when I turn in an upward reaction. The blue lines of bear power should have an upward direction, guys. I don't know that you can see that white line on this moment. On this point, we got a white line in the middle of the bear spore, and that's help us. For example, in this case, what's visible on this platform, right? You can see that right here. I think it's very good signal, very strong one. The moving average line is just crossing each other. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parabolic SAR points. Okay, and look at that again, man. Let's see that. $36. That's so good, guys. Keep in mind that's just one of the strategies that can completely change our path in this market. To truly become a pro, mastering the most profitable strategy is essential. Don't worry, though, I got two exclusive piece of content ready for you for growth. Let's go with that. Okay, guys, and look at that again. I think that's another good moment. As right now, that is a downward direction. Downward. The moving average line have just crossed with each other. It's going down. Very good. The blue bear's power line is also moving down. Look at the middle line for that. The white line right here. And the parabolic SARs. So it always gives us a signal in the downward direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 points. And I will tell you what role of yellow parabolic SAR plays. But right now, Okay, you just need to follow that. When you have more for 5-6 point, that's the good for us. And the newer signal that's the strongest. All right, and that's his two parabolic SAR. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. You can use that, so that's good. And that is so strong. And look at that, $6-7 guys, a profit, 6-9 the total. Oh my gosh, that is so good. Guys, before I open a position, I always check all indicators and give me a signal on one direction or not. The crossing of the moving average and direction for bears per line, the new signals and parabolic SAR, and strength of the candle should all coincidence. As I told you, the latest of the indicators doesn't give me a signal, it's better to wait. Need to get it all together. Because patience here means the successful trading. Remember that. In short, patient combination right signals give me the best results, guys. Everyone remember that my video is not investment advice, just educational in nature. Guys, just write your opinion in the comments or goals, okay? Actually, right now, I wish you good profits, good operations, and guys, be safe. Have a good one, and I want to see you in the next video, the next live session. Bye bye. See you. Thank you.